What's the big deal here? The big deal is that I got a package in right here from Amazon. It's going to make my life a lot easier because the MacBook Pro only has 2 ports, and the little surprise I have in here is going to make all the difference. Beautiful box. Let's take a look. Get this side. Right down the middle. Can you guess what's in there? An XLR male to female microphone cable. I think this is a 6 foot. It's a 6 foot mic cable. And the pièce de résistance is this, the TS3 Plus, Thunderbolt Station 3 Plus by CalDigit. This is the real deal here. This is what Apple actually sells directly to go with their MacBooks. Let's look on the outside of the box. Can you read that? I can't, even with my glasses on. So inside we have a thank you for choosing CalDigit card. Some phone numbers on there. We got a bunch of suppliers' declaration of small print. I don't know what these things are. Rubber feet. And we've got a nice CalDigit USB-C cable. Looks to be about 1 foot long. USB-C on both ends. We've got a power cable, a power brick, which seems very nice. It's got a nice wrapper on it. Got that, and a barrel connector. We've got a divider in the box that tells you how to hook it all up. And even lower, we've got the goods. There it is with the wrapper on it. That's the business end. The business end. Here's the front end. So yeah, I like it. I'm gonna hook it up. So it looks like a nice unit, and I just can't wait to hook it up, and we'll see how it does.